Guys, it's me, Angie, and today I'm going to be showing you an easy way of how to make slime. So this slime will get harder, okay? It'll get like putty, whatever. And this is just a simple recipe. It's not going to be like those good slime. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you how to make it. And let's get started. The ingredients you will need are baking soda, 2 cups and 1 filled with hot water, a spoon, this is optional, glitter, and this is also optional, food coloring, and some clear glue. You could also have white glue, but I like clear glue better. So what you're going to do is with your hot water, you're going to add some baking soda into that because you need your baking soda. Sorry, this is taking forever. So let me add some baking soda. It doesn't matter if you add too much because it will eventually blend in with everything. But if you add too much, I don't know. So you want to mix that in because right now it's looking like that. So it has some on the edge because I accidentally put some on the edge. So you want to mix it. And like it has to get like clear. Let me get the edges. Like just your normal water. I don't know if you could see that, but I think I want to add some more. I'm just eyeballing it, but you could use a measuring spoon or whatever. Like, it's optional, whatever you want to do. And you need as much water as you want because it's your choice of how much slime you want. So I don't know, I'm just going to make a little bit. And I'm going to be putting it in, I am going to be putting it in a container like this, just your regular container. So once this is mixed, grab your spoon and you could get a napkin, but I'm just going to wipe it off with my hand. And so what you want to do is get your glue and pour some. And this is also optional how much you want. I don't know how much you guys are going to do, but I'm going to do this. I don't think it really matters how much glue you are going to make, but I think I just got some on my hand, so great. And so, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, forgot to show you. That's all the water dissolved. I think I already showed you that. But with your spoon, you just want to mix the glue by itself. I put like this much because I don't want to make too much of it. So just like mix that. And little by little, you're going to be pouring in your baking soda with water. Because first it's going to get like runny-ish or whatever. But, oh, my cousin Live, Laugh, Love, a.k.a. Elizabeth, showed me this. So you should totally go subscribe to her. Because, yeah. You should totally just go subscribe, okay? Okay, so I need to add more. Sorry if you hear dogs barking. It's like outside. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys. There has nothing been weird at my school yet. Like, until now, okay? But I'm not sure. Something else happened. I'm gonna be updating. Look, it's like getting like all slimy-ish and stuff. This only takes a couple minutes, not too much. Because it gets like tough and tough each time. So like tougher to stir. Like, okay, this is getting like hard. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to show you when it's ready. Okay, quick pause or whatever. This is how it's turning out. It should turn out like that. It should be getting like whitish, a whitish color. So yeah. Guys, it's getting even stickier. It's like, as you can see, it's like hard to mix it out. Like my hand is like hurting. This only takes like 15 minutes to make, okay? So not too much. I don't know how the like regular slime. I don't know how long that takes to make. So like, look. This is what it should be getting into. See, it's not as sticky, but it's still sticky. So like, press on the spoon. It's not like, look. I need to mix it a little bit more so it could get that like squishy consistency, I guess I'll say. But I don't know. Whatever you call it. So like this is like ready. So you're gonna grab that. You're gonna need to knead it. You're gonna need to knead it. And so let's see. Oh my gosh, just getting so sticky, but that's how it's supposed to be. Just that I'm supposed to knead it more. Okay. So like you have to roll it, stretch it. I roll it on the table. That's one of my like things that I do. Like, oh sorry. Like, see like how it's getting like, let's see, I'll say like, I don't know, just like slimy. And so then with the spoon, I like scoop the other parts out. So like, I like, I mix it in with the other one that I made. How much minutes is this? 7 minutes? I don't know how much this takes to make exactly. I like to get everything out of there because I don't like any wasted slime because I love it. It's just so fun to make. I just scoop the rest out with my hand because as you can see, it's like slimy. So like, that's how you want it to be and sound. So it's not as, I mean, it's not hard to do. I was going to say it's not as hard, but it's not hard to do at all. Like, at least to me. Oops, I just dropped some on my floor. Okay. Getting in there. Getting some out. As you can see, it's like getting clean. Sorry if this noise is like really disturbing because it's like annoying. Okay. So, that's the kind of slime you want to get. Like, let me show you. So as you can see, that kind of slime-ish texture. So, after you're done with that, you can add some coloring to it. So I have these red, yellow, green, and blue ones. So like, sorry, I just moved everything. Like, I don't know what I should do. Like, I should make like a red. A red. I'm going to be making a red. But what if I just add like a little bit of red? Would that make pink? No, sorry if you hear my mom calling. Okay. So I added like a little drop. It's like spreading everywhere. But it's like, oh, it looks like blood. I know. And it doesn't matter if your hands get like a colorish or whatever. I don't know how to say it. Like colored hands. Because that's okay, because that will get off really easily. Like if you take a shower, you might want to scrub there where you got the food going. Sorry if this is in the way. And it's like, oh yeah. What if I make a dark red? Ooh, that's a pretty color. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I wish I had that sound. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Like, as you can see, it's pretty cool. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna make it a darker red. I want to see like what happens if I like. Wait, look. I'm gonna stretch it out, but also make it like fat. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Oh gosh, that was a big drop. Oh no. This turns out terrible. It's going to be my fault because, as you can see, I'm the one who's pouring it. Because I feel like it's going to be dark red now. Like dark red. Like, not even a little dark red. Like, a dark red. So, like, I don't know anymore. But I need to, like, spread it. Ooh, wait. Actually, it's kind of cute. Sorry if you hear the dogs once again. So, like, ooh, that's pretty, actually. If you want, you could add anything crunchy, which I am not going to do. I don't really like crunchy slime, but the one that my friend Yarzable made, hers is, like, really addicting. But other ones that you have, like, beads to, I don't really like those. She added, like, I don't know what they're called, but see, that's a pretty red. So I'm going to put the glitter away. And maybe for my next video, I'm going to show you the ones I've made so far. Ooh, let's add red glitter. It'll look pretty because it's going to be matched. Okay. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay. So that's how much red I added. And like, gonna like mix. Like, keep mixing it. I still want to have that consistency of slimy-ish. Let me show you. Like, yeah, that's how it's like getting and turning into. It's like, so we're almost done with the slime. I underestimated the time, so it's like gonna take you like 13 minutes because since I paused, it took me like 10 seconds to like mix it. But yeah, and that's your result. So I'm gonna be showing you. Okay, so this is it. Like, oh, sorry, you can't even see it. Oops. All that's left to do now is put it in the container, leave it there, and this is going to get watery since, once again, it's not that regular expensive slime, but like, yeah, just leave it in a container for the rest of the day or whatever. So, yeah guys, I hope this video, like, inspired you to make slime because it's so fun. Okay guys, you do not want to miss out on making slime because if you are like, no, make this recipe one because it's like really fun. Okay guys, okay. So yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe so you get, and tap on the bell so you get notified every time I make a new video like these. So yeah guys, I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.